Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, colleagues, comrades, and connections. This is Jim Sastry from Hyderabad. I will be addressing my social media friends about Democracy Narratives Alliance, which is an email update from them. New from the Democracy Narratives Alliance, practical guidance on narratives that shape support for democracy and how to use them. In which Shastri, most people around the world still believe in democracy, but global dissatisfaction with how it works in practice is at a record high. In that gap, other data leaders have advanced simple, emotional, resonant stories that uh, defenders respond. Frame democracy has broken and prevent repair. How should democracies defenders respond? Not with more facts, else, the evidence that shows that among the least effective approaches, not by repeating anti-democratic claims to defend, debunk them, which often backfires. Thank you. The Democracy Narrative Alliance DNA has released Don't Talk About Democracy, What We Know and Don't Know. A new research brief that maps the dominant narratives shaping how democracy, how people understand democracy and face practical strategies for rebuilding support, engagement and participation. Also in the brief, five categories of democracy narratives that shape public attitudes from outcomes oriented to control, process oriented each period with the counter narrative it can address. Practical guidance and messaging, how values, audience and messenger framing and messenger message structure and influence are influenced while whether communications land. Real world examples from Ghana, Tunisia, India, France, Ireland, and beyond. Do's and don'ts for accounting disengagement narratives, including why pre-bunking works and what is crisis framing doesn't. And the brief synthesis evidence from over 150 studies from academic and practitioner publications and insights from more than 40 organizations, researchers, and found wonders who are part of the DNA. Take a look inside. This brief is part of three-part research series produced by People Power and Busara for the DNA. The series also includes a systematic literature review examining how narratives about democracy shape engagement and behavior changes that brief information determine whether people participate in the demographic structures practices, but as released in the literature review on behavioral change brief, both available at Bisra Global. Research series was launched at a DNA webinar on March 24th, while researchers and practitioners uh, discussed a fundings and population implications. The DEA brings together more than 40 organizations, research institutions, and further working on democracy and communications. It was launched to coordinate and consolidate reduce change efforts across the democracy field. The research issues there is in an in step, in initial step in building a shared global evidence base for this work. This work. The DNA is now developing additional resources, support and field research to turn this knowledge into coordinated and global action. Thank you.